First we can have the
Like you
lunches.
said practice, now you're just aram se eating.
I'll say action, but now there's loss.
It's Prema the co-pioneer, guys.
Act as if like you're giving a coffee in the middle. So I'm like,
Watch it on YouTube, bro.
Now how was the experience?
You post it or what?
Yeah,
Don't post.
What's the day?
Very good food, bro. Very good.
That one friend in a group bond just to have a good food.
So here is our Maharaj DOP. As if it is a CCTV camera. Hi, hello, we are. So we need to go and edit and see that whether the ghost is good.
Talada.
As usual, we have to watch. Finally. Well, bro. So let's go for the shoot. Hello, hi. Today we are in Bhunesh house.
Hello.
So we go here.
please go then and come and then we can. First we can have
Like
the
you
lunches.
said practice, now you're just aram se eating. What? Hi, auntie.
We have to eat, right?
Why you are not eating chicken?
She's a vegetarian.
Oh, okay.
Only eggs. Only eggs.
Sit, bro. Sit. Sit. 10 minutes.
ಅವನು ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೀನೇ ನೋಡಿದಾನೆ
என்னது
Ruin it for him. Put to side, man.
ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ
Proof. You're torture. ಬದ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
How are you?
ಎಸ್
Bro, what are you waiting for?
We are doing a test shoot, and so this is the first shot of the test shoot. So this is a project of Chanakya's Prema the co-pioneer, and incoming there's another guy coming. I heard. Let's just come in. Chanakya said, "I'll say action," but now he's lost in himself. I should come.
ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ಟವಲ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Wide or close? Short wise only.
ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವೋ ಅದೇ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಈಚೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರುಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಟವಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ஓரதோஷம் ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Okay.
ஓகே இட் வில் பி ஸ்டில் அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் பேசுறப்போ ஸ்டில்லாவே இருக்கும்
அதான்
ஸ்டில்லா இருக்கட்டும் லிட்டில் ஜூம் இஸ் ஓகே லிட்டில் ஜூம் இஸ்
டேய் மச்சான் 2 வருஷமா டிசைட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சரியா அந்த இதுக்கு
Who's gonna shoot? Deliver the
not
product.
all shots we are going to take in green screen
Which
மூஞ்சில ஆக்செப்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி இது
இல்ல ஜி ஒரு வாட்டி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம் மீன்ஸ் இது
Oh, look at this location now. It's the time is 5:52, and we are in Electronic City. Oh, the look is so good. It feels as if it's like 4:30 or 5 in the morning. Super cool, and we are here for the practice of Chanakya's next project, which is Prema the co-pioneer, and we have our actress with us, which is what's your name? Sorry.
Megha.
Oh, Megha. We have Megha. We'll let it out, and we have our director.
It's Prema the co-pioneer, guys.
Okay, she's giving the stylish bits. Okay, now we are practicing for our scene, and apparently we wanted to shoot inside the room, but now we found out this terrace. Terrace is like super cool and super good.
guys don't understand
Bro, someone should bring a coffee and just act as if like you're giving a coffee in the middle. So I'm saying the dialogue.
Take care. Have a good cinema life.
ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್
But today are we shooting? No, right?
no that shoot we can't there is no light
இருங்க இப்போ
Put the light.
Finally, we, as usually, we did not do everything which was planned.
Okay, there is firecrackers. So finally, the test shoot was done.
No, it was not done.
Not
It was
the practice.
put on halt.
So they thought that at 10 o'clock they called us, 3 o'clock we came, and at 7 o'clock we started the practice. Now we are winding up.
இப்போ ரெண்டு லைட் வேணுமா அப்போ இந்த பக்கம் ஒன்னு.
Masha, put light for her.
You will post it on YouTube, bro.
How was the experience?
Post it or what? Don't post.
How was the experience?
Experience was pretty good. As long as I'm looking like good and pretty,
Okay.
I'm like okay.
Cool. So how was the experience today?
Bro, experience, it's as usual. I mean, I don't look like that. A good look. It's as usual. It is always late and it always has a delays. So I'm used to it. It's
But
good.
shooting is always fun.
Yeah,
Shooting-
I like
shooting
the
is
way
always
these two
fun.
people are interacting with each other. It's really lovely to see them on screen.
Okay. Yeah, Chanakya, the director. What you felt? What you felt? What was the?
Bro, I don't know.
Is like cheering.
Hey bro, how did you feel? How was the day?
Very good food, bro. Very good.
That one friend in a group who you know who is born just to have a good food.
Thanks to the DOP.
Yes.
Is always cool.
Cool. So nothing went as planned.
Never dies. Say that.
Yeah, photographer never dies.
Photographer never dies.
Nothing went as planned, but still something was.
Camera action.
Something was, benefited by coming here and doing the rehearsals. So here is our Maharaj, DOP, the great DOP. Hey, that was so brutal, man. So brutal. Hello. As if it is a CCTV camera. Hi, hello, we are. Oh, hello, what the fuck? So we got
We have to press the floor. Then.
No.
Which floor?
This is the floor.
Oh, this is the ground floor.
Yeah. Do it. Finish it.
Damn. So there was a ghost haunting us. So Diwakar did something suspicious.
Ghost hunter.
So we need to go and edit and see that whether the ghost is. Fucking open it.
It's just energy saving mode, bro. That's it.
We'll go out. Achha, he went out.
Once again. Be there. Be there. Crazy dude. Close the lift. Close the lift. Now you open it.
Press that.
Hello, finally the rehearsals have been done. As a DOP, please do charge and give over the pics. We need to see how the pics has come out. So we got it. So rehearsals went out well. We are winding back. Okay, Param, you the last pics.
Heads or tails?
Hex or 10.
Why?
Tell.
Why?
Not for your personal. Just
Heads.
for heads. Ji?
Head da tala.
Me?
Always
Tala danda.
tala. We are not. I am Ajit Khan, no? Nada. Tail.
Talada.
Tala.
You lost.
Put the last pics, like whatever. It's not interesting.
Mind your business, guys.
Bye. It was nice meeting you guys.
This one.
This one.
This one, bro?
Got it. Bye, man. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Params.
Caterpillar
Bye.
Caterpillar bro, bye.
So now today we are going for Zudio, right? All the shoot is done. Now we are going for Zudio for the costume selection, or like buying the costumes for the character Janardhan. And our associate director and Chanakya will be paying for it. And as usual, we have Bhuvan in a very stylish way. So we are in studio, like Chanakya will be like investing on the costumes. First costume, how much? Divkar decided that for Janardhan we need a proper costume, so they are coming with a proper costume.
Bro, you want to purchase here?
No, I would have done for my girlfriend. When in dreams, like I'm preparing for the character, right? I think this is very.
இது கரெக்டாக தான் இருக்கும். இந்த லைனிங் இருக்கு.
So finally, they have chosen this shade for this next shot. Anakya, first production. Thanks.
ரொம்ப பேரை வேற கேட்கணும் காஸ்டியூம்.
First time we are buying something for someone.
Finally.
Bill, bro.
3 பேர் வந்து ஒருத்தர் சொத்த அப்புறமா இது சன்ரைஸ் அவ்வளோதான்.
We got it. So we got the costume, which is for the next short film, and they've chosen this color. So the pant, and we have a jacket. So let's go for the shoot. Hi. Shivering and shimmering. Both of these dogs killed one cat that day. The Korean hero of Indian version. This week it's super cold. And woke me up at 4:30 and they got me your assistant. Not even 10 to 15 minutes. The light has opened and I'm holding the gimbal. Look at the fog. Who is Jigni MLA? Please do change your roads, man. It's not a fog effect, it's a smoke effect. How did you reach, man, so fast? I don't know why they choose like weird timings for shoot. As an actor, I need to hack, not see so. Photography skills is way higher than videographic skills. It's a very good tree which I fell in love with.
The shot was
Very good. What I expected it came on the camera. Yeah, it just gone unexpectedly. It was good.
And the location, it gave us a lot of texture, and the sunlight was very good.
Once you see the visuals, you will get to know that we are not boasting it. We are having it leaked.